What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? We're at good old Keith's Pit Stop here in Gettysburg, PA, and first of the year dyno session with the Cobalt SS. What do you think? You excited? We got some methanol in there already. Filled her up. She's nice and good. She's not leaking, which is also very good. So that means I did my job correctly. Oh! All that horsepower, man! Nope. Nah, he'll going forward because the rollers go this way. Yeah, reverse is a little tricky. All that power. Watch out. Nah, that's only for rear-wheel drive vehicles. Front wheel drives we pull up on. There we go. Cleared, you're good. Alrighty. Alright guys, we're here in the Cobalt. The meth is working. And we're gonna put some horsepower to the test, guys. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. Are you excited? Very. Woo! Alright, let's do a short pull. We are gonna be running methanol. We'll see what the air fuel looks like. We're running off of a wideband and air fuel gauge. Doggy, man, you ready? You bring some power. Whew, man, look at that. Whew, 106. No, we didn't do anything yet, buddy. That's just 106 right now. It did make, ooh, you ready for this? Made 171 foot-pounds of torque. Exciting, huh? Dude, this thing's so fast, it's not even funny. Okay. That was only up to 3,500 though.
It's off the scale fat. So.
Yeah, it's really fat. Lots of fuel. Oh. That means there's way too much fuel in the system.
Yeah, do that. Well, look at the fucking fuel ratio.
We were looking at both of them.
It stays at fucking 14.
No, it doesn't. It went right to 10.
Huh?
It went right to 10, buddy.
Oh yeah, when you get on it.
Oh, how do you know?
Huh?
How do you know?
Well, no, I'm saying when you start going, it drops right down to fucking.
Oh, you're caught now. Yeah. You're caught now, bud. So, how many times did you race this thing?
I didn't fucking race it, Andy.
Why? How'd you know it went to 10 then?
I know it goes to 10 as soon as I hit the gas.
Why'd you hit the gas?
To drive, dickhead.
You don't need to. It don't need to hit 10 going and driving.
It does.
I don't.
The fuck it don't.
Yeah, it was doing fine up here on the dyno.
Huh?
We didn't hit the gas. It didn't go to 10 here.
No, when you're sitting still, it stays at like 14.
Uh-huh.
And then when you start going,
uh-huh,
it goes down to 10.
Uh-huh.
What do you do?
Uh-huh.
How many times you race it?
Why'd you pause? Oh, so mods are full methanol injection kit, single nozzle, and a ported blower, 3.0 pulley, upper pulley, stock lower. It does have a ZZP exhaust on it, I think, and a ZZP coater intake as well. So,
how much boost is it making?
10 psi. Yeah, a little bit over 10 psi just on a on a short pull.
Yeah.
You know? Alright guys, so far we've made what, 225?
Something like
219 torque, 225, 219 torque. We're gonna check how much boost it was making here real quick too. Oh, we're making some boost. Almost 14 pounds of boost. 13.7 PSI on this Cobalt. So she's making some power, ladies and germs. She's making some power. Let's send her.
Yeah.
Let's full send her. Here we go, guys. 250 horse. I say as long as your fuel looks good up at the top end, run her all the way to red line, 6,500. I've seen that.
Yeah, I left
Seen that. Yeah, at least we got a good run. 233 wheel horsepower, 222 foot-pounds of torque.
Getting there.
Right at the very end, it went to. It's about 14 pounds. Yeah, it's right at 14 pounds.
Okay.
So 14 psi. It did run a little lean on the top end. We can adjust fuel and fix that. It's not a big deal. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, let's make a few more adjustments and
From like what, 65 up, or where was it at? 6 grand? I can't tell. Right there.
right
What's
there,
that?
5,500.
Yeah, 55.
So 50. Oh, you didn't even take it up to 65.
No, it was going lean.
Yeah, I wonder if it's still gonna make power though.
I would rich it up a little bit before we find out.
Yeah, man, we're definitely gonna find out. All right, turn the meth up a little bit. We're gonna see if that helps with air fuel.
Did go a little, and you got a little bit up top.
It did. So that was 236, 218. So we lost a little torque.
It is heating up though.
But it is heating up. We're at 70 degrees IAT. ECT's at 180. So, I mean, almost 240 horse at the wheels. And basically 220 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels. And these things from GM are supposed to be 205 horse at the crank, 200 foot-pounds of torque at the crank as well. So I think we made some decent gains.
Yeah.
Nice smooth power curve, torque curve, air fuel's looking good. Can't complain. Let's get out of this car. Alright guys, so all done. It's getting dark, so I wanted to finish out this video and do the outro before it got too dark. And I got home. I'm just leaving Keith right now. We're talking about some stuff. Really awesome guy. Freaking, if you need any dyno stuff or any work done in the Gettysburg area, York area, whatever, go check him out. Awesome dude. Freaking nice as can be. Can get everything done for you just like you want. So on to the Cobalt SS 236 218 torque, basically at the wheels guys. Ported blower, 3.0 pulley and methanol injection, and ZZP intake and ZZP exhaust system. Very simple, very cheap mods. Anybody can do that in their home, in their garage. Very easy to do. Car runs great, car sounds great, air fuel's on par, looking good, safe for driving, which I'm very happy about. Always happy about making safe cars drivable, and that way they don't, you know, have any problems in the future. So basically, I would say from a stock Cobalt, we were actually looking up on Keith's Dyno, and this is on Keith's Dyno. He dynoed a stock Cobalt SS 05 supercharged, nothing done to it, and it made like 127, 129, and like 135 torque or something. So as you can tell, we picked up over 100 horsepower at the wheels, which is pretty impressive in my book with the methanol. And definitely the methanol from Alky Control, that made all the difference, guys. So hit up Alky Control, put them on your Cobalts, and make a lot more freaking power really, really quick. We are thinking about possibly going down a pulley size in the future, maybe a 2.8 or 2.6. There is more than enough of injector there, more than enough of fuel there to do so without harming anything or messing up anything. So, you know, maybe that'll be a future mod. Currently, the car is sitting at 14.2 to 14.5 pounds of boost. Probably on the street, it'll be 14.5, closer to 14.5 pounds of boost. But, you know, that's going to work pretty well. Air fuel, like I said, is good to go. So we don't have to worry about that. It's a little on the richer side, so we're good there. Other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And, I'm gonna get some dinner. I'm tired. It's been a long, long day. Deuces.